Hello guys and welcome to my channel. It's Sonia Verardo here from soniaverardo.com, fashion, beauty and mom related blog. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this video. I know it's been a while since I did a video in English language and I do apologize for that. I did a couple of vlogs in Croatian, but I neglected my English speaking audience and I'm terribly sorry. However, I do post regularly on my blog. It's soniaverardo.com and I post about my life, and I also post like outfit photos, fashion posts. So if you are following me there, then you will already know what's been going on with me. It's been a rough year so far. Yeah, I had really big problems with my neck, with vertigo, neck stiffness and spondylosis, cervical hernias, so it was pretty rough. I wasn't able to film, I wasn't able to do anything basically. I am now in physical therapy and things are luckily going better. I just have to be persistent and very positive about this whole journey. I can do a separate video on that. I would really like to. I would like to, you know, talk a bit more with you guys and open about certain topics, hopefully help other people who are dealing with the same issues right now. But this video here is actually long overdue fashion haul in collaboration with the brand Savaglory. They have like the best and the cutest and the funniest t-shirts ever. So I was lucky to be able to pick 5 of their t-shirts, and I'm so grateful. These t-shirts are super cute. I'm going to show them to you now and tell you a little bit about the reason why I was so attracted to a certain t-shirt. Now, first is this one. Isn't it so cool? Eat, sleep, yoga, repeat. So these are like these casual, cool t-shirts that you can wear when lounging at home or tucked in your jeans, maybe with a baseball cap and a pair of cool sneakers, like for everyday running errands, stuff like that. So I really like this, you know, eat, sleep, yoga, repeat. This is a really beautiful color. I really like this dark gray. I think it suits me. I don't ever wear black, but I do like gray. I do gravitate towards gray colors. So the next one is this really pretty like dusty pink color. And this one says all the cool kids are reading, and I absolutely adore the message of this one because I personally am a big fan of books. I love to read, as you guys can tell. I have some of my favorite books over there on this antique chair. And this is only a little fraction of the books that I have in my house, and my dad was also big on buying books and reading books, so yeah, it kind of runs in the family. So the next t-shirt is this gorgeous t-shirt. I absolutely love the color green, but this is such a pretty green, and here it says crazy plant lady, and again this message resonates a lot with me because I do love my plants. Can you guys see? I have this really beautiful tree of life here that my mom gifted to me, and I have some other plants around my house, and I often post them on my Instagram because I like to brag with them. So yeah, I got all of these t-shirts in a size medium, and they are a bit oversized on me. They do have a bit larger fit, so you can just order your regular size if you want your regular fit. I am size extra small to small, but I ordered them in a medium because I thought, you know, oversized t-shirts are kind of cool, right? And also for just being comfy around the house, maybe with a pair of leggings or shorts. Now that it's summertime, I feel medium is like better for me personally. Then a white tea. I could not order white tea, right? It goes well with everything. And it says, and into the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul. Really beautiful message, because you know, nature is everything. We are a part of nature, we are connected to the nature, and this is exactly where you need to go to find your soul, in the nature, within yourself also, obviously. Yeah, such a cool t-shirt. And the last one that I picked is another cool print. It says best mom ever. When I wear this t-shirt I think of my son and just, you know, being a mom, thing that really changed my life from the roots, and I'm super grateful for this blessing. So obviously I wanted to have this t-shirt, and I really like the color. I think it goes well with blue jeans, you know. Very cool. I really like these t-shirts. I'm so excited. They have various different themes, and it was super difficult for me to actually decide on my favorite 5. T-shirts are really comfy, made of really nice material, very soft to the touch, and the colors are very vibrant. The quality is amazing. The shipping was super fast. It's only me who took so long for this video to happen, because I already explained you, I just, you know, health issues, things you just cannot predict. But I'm hoping that I will be able to film more for you guys, especially now in the following days and weeks and months. Please let me know if you have any questions, any requests, some suggestions. What can I film for you in the future? I would really love to hear from you. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I urge you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, because it really means a lot. It's a boost of motivation for me to keep filming, and it's nice to have my little corner here where I can just sit down, be myself, share with you my passions and, you know, just my life situations and whatnot. So yeah, please subscribe, support my channel, give a thumbs up, and I'm sending you all a big kiss from Krisha, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao!